Hey guys, welcome to Meg's House, and in today's video we're doing a 5-minute easy everyday makeup look. I'm starting off with my eyebrows. I am using the NYX, I want to say it's micro brow pencil. This is in the color ash brown. I feel like eyebrows are essential for me. I guess it would depend on just what you're naturally born with, but for mine, kind of towards the end, they just disappear. Sometimes I do create a fuller brow, but for my everyday looks, I try and do more just filling in the shape that's already naturally there versus kind of creating my own shapes. Then moving on to concealer, so I have the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the color Deep Honey, along with my Fenty Matchstick Concealer. This is in the color Caramel, and then I just apply a little bit more of a lighter shade, so it just kind of gives like that natural highlight contour in that area, and then I just blot it with my concealer brush. This was a set that I got from Ulta, and it definitely serves its purpose, but I do this just to kind of brighten and smooth out the area. I feel like it makes me look refreshed, just to clean up this area. And then I have large pores, so this kind of fills it in a bit in a natural way. And so I just do under the eyes, kind of the top part of my cheek and nose area, but I don't go further down. And the great part about that is, so when I go to give people hugs or whatever, makeup is not getting like all over them because it's not brought all the way down, at least not the liquid makeup. So I do use just my regular foundation kind of as my finishing powder, because for like liquids you want to set it with powder. So I do the MAC Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish foundation, and I've been having this forever. I'm sure it's expired, but guess what, I still got it, so I'm still using it. I do kind of put that one a little bit everywhere, but I guess less around like the chin area. Then I go in with my blush. I went to MAC and I made like a little duo palette, which I love, and I feel like the colors complement my skin. I do have the Genovia's Lace 2 different palettes, blush palettes, but I don't know, sometimes I feel like it's not like the everyday makeup, so I felt like these colors help me out a bit. Then I'm going back in with my foundation brush just to kind of blend out the edges of that, just to make it look more natural. Adding a little eyeliner. This is the MAC Graph Black eyeliner pen, and I love this because it goes on so easy. It's so smooth. I cannot stand having to put on eyeliner, and it's like you going over the area 5 and 6 times trying to get it like this. When you like make a line, it's gonna be there, and it just is so smooth and easy to apply. So that's why I really like this, and it's something that I would go and rebuy time after time. For eyelashes, I have the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. This is not waterproof, and I actually like that because I like to be able to take all my makeup off at night. I find with the waterproof mascara, it's just really hard to remove it, regardless of if you're using like a makeup remover, just a facial cleanser. Like that waterproof mascara really sticks on. So I like that this one is just a regular mascara that serves its purpose and just brings out my eyes a little bit more. This is the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. So just your standard dark brown lip liner. And call this the 90s girl in me, but I just feel like I don't like to wear lipstick without lip liner. I've been doing this since I was a teenager. That's just me. I love my lip liner. This is Bite lip gloss. I actually threw this away after making this video because I ran out of it. I think the color is called Chai. It was okay. It was a vegan lip gloss that it actually had a good little flavor. I think it's something about made with coffee grounds or something. But yeah, I just picked like a natural color lip gloss. And then it depends because every now and then I pop a little color in. But overall, that is everything in 5 minutes. Feel like it makes me look more cleaned up without being like too overboard or taking too much time. So that's my everyday. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below what you like to do and what's your everyday must-have makeup products. See you soon. Bye.